Okay guys, we're gonna look at the milestone apps and how we can access that with the iPad. So everyone that has the iPad currently in your classroom should have the logo, and I'm gonna scroll over to show you where it has the blue CDC milestones, it says, with the colorful ladder, and mine has a number 1 on it because if I was using this app, it'll alert me when a child is due for a screening. So you touch it and then it'll pop up your class list. So I have 3 or 4 kids here listed. If I was to need to do a screening for a child that just turned 2, I would tap their name and it will pop up, and then I would just click the 2-year-old, make sure it's set, and that's when you tap the checklist and then it will come up. So this is another way to access it, and you'll just answer the questions as you read them if they apply. Sometimes you'll see an occasional image coming soon. That means they're updating it, and so eventually there would be a picture there. But right now you would just read it and see if you've observed the child doing that skill consistently, and if so, you would hit yes, and then you just move on to the next section and you just keep going all the way through. Occasionally you'll see where they give you a video, which I really find useful, and you would tap the video.
Show me the rabbit again. Where's the rabbit? Good job. Good job.
And then you would think, does this child do that consistently in the classroom? And you'll answer yes, not sure, not yet. So this is great, especially in our infants, when parents are new to having a baby. It's very helpful for them to see what is expected at that age level. Not that it's always going to be perfectly accurate at that age, but it's a good help to them to know what to work on with their baby, and they have a visual of seeing some of those actions happening. So you could do this with the parent for those infant classrooms, or you can do it like I'm doing it now and then read the results to the parent later. But this is what we're going to use this year to track our milestones, and I feel like it's a really good option because it'll keep your kids listed. You can always add new children, or you can delete old children that might have moved, and it also gives you that nice alert when there are actions to be done. So if another thing that it also does for you is if I was doing this child's milestones, you can go and tap where it says tips and activities. You can look through here and kind of help give you ideas to work on in the classroom and or ideas for the parent to work on at home. So you could use this little tool for that as well. So it's very handy, and I hope you all enjoy it. But that is how we will access our milestones.